Who says stylish furniture has to come with a four-figure price tag? Today I styled some wood crates that I got from Michael's, and I transformed them into an entertainment center, and I am excited to share it with you, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. So I went online to Michael's and ordered 12 wooden crates. I actually had them delivered to my house in these huge boxes. They were left on my porch, brought them in, painted them, and set them all up to make an entertainment center. So I'm going to style it for fall with you and share this transformation. So let me just show you a few things that I'm using to style this before we begin, and we'll do a decorate with me, and then I'll share the whole finished product with you. Did you see the thumbnail? I gave you a sneak peek. Alright, so I am using some fall pictures that I ordered from Temu, and I'm going to share them with you. And I am going to use my co-host Tootsie to help me show these. If you're new here, my name is Jody, and Tootsie is my little long-haired chihuahua, and she's my co-host. Let me show you these beautiful pictures and use her to help me. Little Tootsie feels like playing today. She seems to be in a happy mood, so I thought I'd let her help me, and she's actually checking out all of these beautiful fall pictures. I think Tootsie likes this one, the pumpkin in the book. Isn't that pretty? Look at her little face. And this next one with the foliage is really pretty. What do you think? My little Tootsie thinks of this one. This one here is really pretty with the little cabin by the water. And there is one with a cute little squirrel critter that I'll be using to decorate, and I'll show you that one when we decorate the entertainment center. So aren't these pictures beautiful? I got them from Temu. They're like a rugged cardboard, and I think the detail on these is fabulous and perfect touch for fall. Next, I ordered these frames from Temu. I got them from a local warehouse, and I ordered 6 of them. I'm going to use 2 today to style the entertainment center, so I wanted to share this item from Temu with you. Now, I will tell you, it's a pretty durable wood frame, but it's not glass, it's plexiglass. But for me, I am actually using I'm not using the plexiglass. I'm just going to show the photo because I don't like the glare showing in the picture, so I'm actually going to put the plexiglass behind the picture when I use these today. Okay, so I got 6 of these for about $10 and change, and then $2.99 shipping. So I thought that was a Jody bargain. Let me know what you think, okay? Okay, the next items I'm using to style in this entertainment center. One is these absolutely adorable white bud vases. I love these. These came from Amazon. And I love that mix of thrifted decor and new decor, and you're going to see some of both in my entertainment center. But these, I wanted bud vases with like a milk glass look, and I didn't find any in any thrift stores, so I went on Amazon and I found these, so check them out. So here I am opening the box, and I have to tell you, when I saw these, I think they are absolutely perfect. They're exactly what I was looking for. The quality is phenomenal. Each one is different, styled a little different, yet they're all cohesive and have that same look that I wanted. And can you see all the detail on these? They're so pretty. And I am excited to use these to put in some pretty fall flowers. The next item I wanted to use to style this entertainment center was some flowers. I wanted some fall flowers to add in, or picks to add into this entertainment center. I found these fabulous ones from Amazon. So check out these. The quality on these is phenomenal. Check these out. My favorite part of these stems from Amazon is that they have like a wire so you can bend them and move them, and I think they look really, it makes them look a little more realistic, and they're great to style with. So let me show you a little closer in the light over here, and let's put them next to little Tootsie. She seems to be liking this haul. Here is where I placed them in a little vase on my tiered tray, so I wanted you to see what they look like when I placed them over here. Okay, now I've showed you the new things that I'm using to style the entertainment center. The rest of the items I had already had. You'll see some plates that I got from Dollar Tree. You'll see some mini lamps, pumpkins, and all the little goodies that I use to decorate for fall. I'm starting off with these gorgeous fall scenery pictures from Temu, set inside these sweet new white frames. I'm adding these gorgeous fall pics that I got from Amazon. I love the pop of color. Now I have this cute little whimsical squirrel tucked in just in the corner here near the flowers, and I'm going to add a taper candle for that warm glow feel. Next is these adorable bud vases with the wildflowers in them. I am so thrilled with this little find from Amazon. Now I'm adding these cute fall plates I scored from Dollar Tree. Another pretty fall pick at the bottom to add that pretty fall color. And we are going to add this pretty topiary that I have with this adorable little bow on the other side. What I love about this new entertainment center is that I get lots of little areas to display little mini vignettes and decorate them. So I'm adding this pumpkin and there's another fall plate. This is the salad size plate from Dollar Tree. I'm going to put a taper candle and another pretty fall pick. My next little crate I'm decorating has my thrifted piece, this pretty vintage style picture that I found, and I absolutely love it. We're moving down below that. We're going to do a pumpkin, and I'm going to use some more of the same fall pick to be cohesive throughout the whole entertainment center, and we're going to put them at the bottom of the pumpkin, and then it'll add a little bit of color in front of this pretty beige pumpkin. The next little crate down at the bottom is where I'm adding this gorgeous glass pumpkin that I thrifted with this gorgeous glass knob on the top. And we are adding another thrifted find, this pretty little goose or chicken on a nest. And in the corner is my little raccoon tin sign I popped in front of a book. That book was actually an encyclopedia I'd gotten from my school. Apples always make me think of fall, so we're going to add in a little basket of faux apples here. Next we have another beige pumpkin that lights up. It's absolutely gorgeous, and we're going to do the same thing here with the picks. We're going to add them in front for that pop of fall color. Here's another crate on the bottom with my adorable raccoon plate that I thrifted, a pumpkin, and another book. So these two cubbies are side by side with the two little raccoons. Going along with the little critter theme, here is the picture, the last one I wanted to show you from Temu with this adorable little squirrel. And that's going in the top crate in the top row, and we'll add a pretty taper candle, some more floral pretty picks, and we'll get this little area styled too. Moving along to this next one, we have another Dollar Tree plate, and you'll see when I'm finished. So I had to style 12 different vignettes, and when you see it stepping back, you'll see how they all kind of blend in together, and certain areas I tried to match up at the end of each little cubby in this entertainment center. So that is my new entertainment center that I made from the wood crates. I'd love to know what you think. Let me know if you like the way I styled it. I tried to add those cozy touches of fall. So if you like this video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up, a hype, a share. It helps out so much, and I'd love for you to consider subscribing, joining my Cozy Cottage family. It's free. So thank you so much for watching, my dear sweet friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will be going on my cruise soon, and I'm hoping to have some videos about the cruise and showing you what the cruise ship looks like. So I hope you subscribe, and I'll be sharing that with you. So I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you stay safe. Take care. Bye for now.
I can feel there is somebody here, and he's watching over me tonight as he takes away my fears, lets me know there's a heaven up there. Yeah, he's reaching out his hand to me to wash away my tears. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to be near you. I hear angels from up above. They sing hallelujah. They sing hallelujah. I can see though my eyes are all closed. Yeah, he gives me strength to carry on, and always lets me know that I'm fine just the way he made me. Every perfect imperfection is all because of him. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open